everybody, it's me Bakisa and welcome back to our channel. This is going to be my very first Vlogmas series and I'm so excited to take you along with. I wanted to do 25 days, but obviously I may not be able to. Remember, I'm a nurse and I'm always working, so I'm going to try to do as many as I can. This month, I'll be sharing everything from cozy routines to holiday shopping, festive beauty tips, and so much more. And as a 50-year-old mom, juggling teenagers, nursing shifts, and my love for all things glam, I'm basically your holiday chaos coordinator, but make it festive. Listen, I had planned to do the whole daily Vlogmas thing, but you know what? Life happened. So instead, let's call this Vlogmas-ish. I'll be dropping festive content as often as I can, so hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications because even I don't know when the next video is coming, okay?